Hello, sir.
Hey, mate. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure, man. What are you up to?
I'm just strolling around a little bit at lunchtime.
Ah.
I'm working.
What's your name?
I'm Richard.
Richard.
Are you from England?
No.
Germany?
No.
Maybe France?
No. No parlez-vous français?
No fully français. China?
No.
Chile?
No. South of here?
South Africa?
No.
Careful.
Australia?
Really? Sydney?
No.
Queensland?
No.
New South Wales?
No.
Perth?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you. Are you alone here?
No. Hotel, but I need
Oh, be careful. Be
I need to get back to the hotel.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Theo, are you on email so we can keep in touch?
No. Go good, buddy.
Okay. See you.
so
but
awesome.
but we don't talk too much. Only the lesson. The teacher taught us reading, so just reading and then nothing at all. So if you want to improve the language, you need to keep going. You need to learn on YouTube or whatever on Google. Also, like now we are meet and then we talk in English and also talk in so many people who want to learn English.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's so important.
Because
to talk, right?
because if we don't speak, we lose it because so many a bunch of a trillion of vocabulary we don't get it, and also phrasal and idiom. If we don't use it, we lose it.
Exactly. You don't use it, you lose it.
Yeah.
It's so important to talk. We actually have an English class every Friday. It's free.
Yeah.
And setiap hari Jumat jam 5 sore, and we just talk with anyone, and there's like really professional guys like you who are awesome and already know so much, and there's newer beginners too.
Yeah.
If you have any friends, we have an English class with.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have a great.
Nice to meet you.
Were you headed
What was your name again?
I'm Richard.
Richard. Nice
Yeah,
to
we can go in one and talk.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There's also I didn't hear we're waiting.
Everybody are watching us, but it's right
Yeah.
because we are talking. I mean, all the people have their eyes. So if they are keep watching us, it's alright. So it's made against our confidence. So many people are watching us, so we just keep talking, right?
Yeah.
They just keep saying. They are keep talking. You see, so many people just keep watching us, but I don't care because I want to talk with you both. So we just keep going.
It's so good. The confidence is very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm also talking with so many tourists, like today talking with people from France, American.
Wow.
Yeah, and then
Americans as well.
yeah, and then
Wow.
and then I just going around in this, and then there's in this ground floor, and then we met. So it's amazing.
It's like a miracle.
Yeah, it's a miracle.
Amen.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm also learning Indonesia, Bahasa Indonesia, like you were trying here. Except here, a lot of people speak Bahasa Indonesia, so it's
Yeah.
easier.
Easy lah.
Yeah, benar. Tapi, where you from, Richard?
From this, me.
From Medan.
Yeah.
Yeah. And your family as well, they live here?
Yeah. They
And
live in here.
Are you in kuliah, college?
I finished graduation.
You did? Already?
Yeah.
And now you're taking a little break before you start college, or?
No, I finished the college.
You finished college?
Yeah.
Wow. Bentar banget.
Thank you.
Wow. I did 1 year of college, and I'm like, oh, I gotta stop, and then went, and now we put it on hold to serve for the church. Yeah. For 2 years, and then back to college again.
Yeah.
To finish.
Are you on Facebook so we can keep in touch?
Oh, of course, I have Facebook. What do you pull it up?
Before I talk with your friend, elder friend.
Elder friend?
He
No
came here.
way.
Elder
Today?
friend is came here, not today. Last week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He lives in our house.
He's awesome.
Great.
He's our friend.
Yeah, I met with him second time. It's amazing, and then he brings his friend another one.
Okay.
Yeah.
The shorter guy, right?
It's so tall.
He's still tall, but he's
Yeah,
shorter than Vance.
elder friend is more taller.
Oh yeah, so much taller.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Facebook.
Yeah.
And feel free to contact us on WhatsApp or Facebook.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Yeah.
I met your friend so many before. Elder McWater, Elder
McWater.
Miller. Yeah. Elder McWater Miller. Yeah.
No way.
Aslam. Hano is half a Japanese.
No kidding.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
And
Then I already know this whole mall, right?
yeah.
Because I'm living here and
Yeah.
I've
You
been
know
this
this
mall
place well.
35 times. So I just strolling around and then see you go.
And
Yeah.
go.
And go and talking.
That's
and then here we go. But some of people just ignore me, but it's alright. It's because if we need to think of positive.
Yeah.
Some people ignore you. If you make another truth, go and talk.
Yep.
If you keep going, you're getting better.
Amen. Amen.
Yeah.